Ontario auto changes will affect coverage for home care workers. Did you know that in the past, if you were injured in an automobile accident, your insurance policy would pay up to $72,000 to cover expenses related to hiring an aide or attendant while you recovered from your injuries? It's true, and these benefits would also typically last up to 2 years and would be paid regardless of the degree of injury you suffered. Starting September 1, 2010, when the new standard auto policy coverage comes into effect, this coverage will change. The standard attendant care benefit will be reduced and only provide you with up to $36,000 to cover expenses related to hiring an aide or an attendant. In addition, under the new auto coverage, your benefits may only last 1 year. As part of the new changes being brought to Ontario's auto product, you will have more choice as a consumer. After September 1, consumers will have the option to buy back the current $72,000 limit or buy even more coverage if you desire. If you don't have access to another insurance policy or coverage that would provide you with protection for these expenses in the event of an accident, you should consider purchasing additional coverage through your auto policy. This will help you ensure you have adequate coverage for attendant care expenditures without additional stress during a time when recovery is most important. There are further changes to the coverage that you ought to be aware of, such as the type of injuries you will be able to claim for under the benefit. To better understand the changes that will be made to your policy when it renews, contact your insurance broker for more information. If you don't have an insurance broker, given the degree of changes that have been made to the auto policy, you may want to consider working with one.
Oh, look, there's Chloe.
Hi, Chloe. Doesn't it drive you nuts? Her clothes, her job, I mean, even her insurance fits her perfectly.
Oh, please. She totally has people for all that. A personal shopper, a life coach. She even has an independent insurance broker from Rhodes & Williams. Her broker shopped around for the best rate and coverage. That's why her insurance fits so well.
How do you know all this?
I use Rhodes & Williams, too.
Get insurance that fits. Call Rhodes & Williams Insurance Brokers at 613-226-6590.